Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable and disable shortcut keys or hotkeys in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for regedit. The moment you've typed it, wait until a basma should appear, which is your registry editor system. Please click on Run as Administrator. You would be able to receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the registry editor window. So from here, please proceed at the upper left side of that where you can see a list of keys. Please locate for HKey current underscore user. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow and navigate to software. Once you have navigated to the software, click this forward arrow again, and this time on, you need to locate for Microsoft. So click this forward arrow again to expand it, and this time you need to locate for Windows. So simply scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here, Windows. Click this forward arrow once again, and this time you need to select on current version. Click this forward arrow again, and under the current version you need to scroll down and locate for policies. So we just have to locate it. I can see it here. Okay, and under the policies we need to create a new key, and that is Explorer. So by that, please do a right click, go with new and go with key, and name that into Explorer. Once you've named that, click on enter to create. Once you have created a new key which is Explorer, please proceed with the center screen where you can see here a value. Please do a right click, go with new and go with the word 32-bit value. Please name that into no win keys. Again, it is NoWinKeys. Make sure that you've typed exactly what am I typing here and make sure that you don't put any space in between of the letters or words. Once you're done, please proceed on clicking on enter to successfully created it. Now, in order to disable the WinKeys, okay, all you need to do is you need to do a right click or you can double tap it to bring up this new window. And from here, please set the value data into 1. Click on OK. And in this way, you would be able to disable the WinKeys here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this way, you won't be able to use the shortcut keys as well as the hotkeys. But let's say if you'd like to enable that, then you must navigate the same process, and that is to double tap it once again and set the value data into 0. Once you're done, click on OK. And in that way, you would be able to enable the hotkeys or shortcut keys in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? Once you're good, you can now close all of these paths that we have just opened. As well as the registry editor window, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.